Hey guys, what's up? It's Dawson from Redneck Wrenches. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some of the stuff that you guys need if you're going to start to do it yourself at home mechanic stuff. Another big tip that I would throw in before I even start the video is look up YouTube videos and read the forums about anything you're going over. I'm also going to throw in a couple little knickknacks and show you guys stuff that you absolutely need so you do not get hurt while wrenching on your own car. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Enjoy the video. Alright, so the first thing that I would go with is I would run down to Harbor Freight, and I know most people don't like Harbor Freight tools because they're cheap, but for a basic little do-it-yourselfer that doesn't do this every single day, I think the $200, $220, like I think it's a 600-piece tool set is the perfect way to go. I went and got myself one. It has all the basic little knickknacks you need. Wrenches, all your special little sockets and stuff, along with a couple sets of sockets with ratchets, and pretty much, in my opinion, just about everything that you could need to take a car apart or put a motor in or do just about anything you can get right in this tool set. The next thing that I would recommend going through and getting is a set of ratcheting wrenches, just because these things make life so much easier. If you can't get to a bolt with a socket or your drill, you can go in there with the ratcheting wrenches and get them right on there and pull shit right off. They are a little bit expensive, but I did some shopping around. I think I looked for about a year for these and waited till they came on sale, and I paid $16 a set. So these things are probably my favorite tool. I use them all the time. The next thing that I would get if I was you is a Milwaukee impact. You don't have to get one that's basically an impact to just use all the time. I got the 1/4 inch and I got a deal on it because they were on sale. I paid $100 and got this, a battery, and the charger, so I have everything that I need to be invested in Milwaukee. So now I can just start upgrading my tools piece by piece by piece. And yeah, I waited a very, very long time to go get a Milwaukee drill, but I can tell you guys, as soon as you buy this, your life's going to change 100%. They're so nice to work with. So that's something that I would go with if I was you guys. A couple other little basic knick-knack wrenches and stuff that I think you should get. So you got to get a pry bar. This is just an example. I've got many more. A breaker bar. That way if you get a bolt that you can't take off, you can take them off with that. And if your impact isn't big enough, you can check your lug nuts and stuff with that. And a magnetic bowl. These things are so nice because when you're working on something, we all lose bolts. It's just part of wrenching on stuff. And the best way that I found to keep track of my stuff is to take them out and plop them right on the magnetic bowl. And as you can see, it'll clamp right to your fender, so you can just throw your shit right there, and I don't know, that works pretty good. The last couple things that I think that you need if you're going to work on your own cars is you're going to need a jack. I shopped around and got this one for like $30. And jack stands are an absolute necessity when you're working on something. Along with light so you can see what the hell is going on. Apart from that, pretty much the only other thing that you might want is a air compressor, so you can check your own tire pressures and stuff and don't have to run cars to the gas station. You can also find decent impacts that aren't as expensive as the Milwaukee stuff that'll hook right up to the air hose. So I looked around and I got our air compressor for like $60, and it has a little hole in it, but that's fine. It just runs a little bit more than it should, but it works good enough for what we're trying to do. But that's all I got for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about us. I'm trying to grow this channel. The next video will probably be diagnosing what I think is a bad catalytic converter on this, or maybe a video installing subs into my Suburban with the diesel. So yeah, keep tuned in. I upload every single Thursday before noon. So make sure you tune in. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day. Peace!